Hey guys, Lockie here from Element, and I'm really excited to invite you to our mountain biking photography workshop in 2026. This workshop is perfect for someone who's a beginner trying to get their camera out of auto mode, or perhaps you know your camera a little bit better and you just want to start to dial in the settings, get your composition right, and work on your timing to really add that extra wow factor to your images.
Previous to today, I used to shoot in auto all the time. By doing the course today, I now learned how to use shutter settings, do everything manually.
Yeah, it just adds a whole nother dynamic to going out for a ride. Just take the camera with me and photograph mates instead of just riding.
You can sign up to this workshop as a photographer and take photos of riders, or thanks to Forbes MTB, you can sign up as a rider, and we're going to be there to take the sweet photos of them. Taking photos, especially mountain bike action photos, is a lot of fun. So with other people there who are like-minded, just trying to improve their photos, no matter where you're starting at, it's going to be a really fun day, a great atmosphere, and we're looking forward to seeing you at the Mountain Bike Photography Workshop for 2026.